This is the Ram TRX. We're at Truck Access Plus. We just finished installing the NFAB Epics heavy duty off-road step. They go with the look of the truck. Off-road, has a nice matte black finish, textured black. These help you get inside the truck, easy entry right there. Check out the new interior, really nice. NFAB steps. These are the Yakima OverHaul HD racks with the RetraxPRO XR heavy duty retractable cover. This is a very secure cover. You go out to your truck, push this, slide it right back. It goes back into the canister. Instant access. It has drain tubes to keep the water out. This XR rail has this track on it so you can add rack accessories like what you see here. This is called the Yakima OverHaul HD. Adjustable bed rack. Matches the beds perfectly. This cover can lock at any point right there, so you can lock it wherever you want. And there's even locks on this rack. This cover supports about 500 pounds. You can stand on it. It's really strong. Heavy duty, available for all trucks. This setup can be installed here at Truck Access Plus, or we can send it to you anywhere. Visit Truck Access Plus in Phoenix, Arizona, or shop online with truckaccessplus.com.